Now that the bushing's finished, we can now put it into the Hoover VTC5911NB. That has been emptied of all dust and water, or basically maintenanced. It's only half an hour more or less of the day left, so put this on. Here we go. So we are going for cupboard dry, basically. I don't know what that swishy, hissy noise is. Whatever it is, I think it's probably nothing really. Or do you really want me to say this crazy one? So the next load, of course, is mixed, but it's actually got a lot of mop head things, because the thing is that a lot of these mop heads were at the bottom, right by where the dirt was. I also decided to put some other things in, including, but also there's a dirty mop head from downstairs. So I have 2 for effectiveness, because of the time I'm going to do a daily quick 30 with this, and I think I'll just allow so because I'm using some little dirty things in here, I've doubled the dose. Everything in this wash boot would be washed at 30. There we go. Door's locked. Should be finished by the time before I get going. The washing machine, the dryer would obviously continue on for another half hour, because I think that's how long the cupboard dry is. The good thing is with all these programs, nothing lasts more than an hour. Oh dear, spout. Yes, that's no props. It's just good. There we go, see how effective that was. In only just a few minutes, the suds have just started to react quite well. Of course, all of it would be soaked in all that suds for up to 30 degrees. If there was more time, I would have probably showed you synthetics 30 quick, something I used to use that when I was at college, with using the Beko WS832425s. but I would have had to use spinning train as well, because on the synthetics it only has 800 RPM on this, which is not really that useful, that good. That's gonna have to, of course, will be starting to heat up. Right, washing machine is on its first intermediate spin. Here we go. Ooh, that was slightly unbalanced. Here we go, washing machine, of course, is turbo rinse number 2. See, very imbalanced distributions. I can actually see the washing machine rocking.